Hey guys, Mike here. I'm doing a steak experiment. I put salt on this 48 hours ago. I let it sit for 24 hours, put the vegetable seasoning on there, and then I put it in the freezer bag to conceal it, vacuum seal it. Now I'm going to take and sous vide it, and then I'm going to deep fry it. So we're going to go ahead and get it in the sous vide. I got the sous vide set at 125. I'll take it out, I'm going to deep fry it at 375 so it puts a nice crisp on the outside. And if I do it at 125, I'm thinking after I deep fry it, it should come out right about 140, 135, 140. So it'll be right there, medium rare. And we'll get that set for an hour, and then we'll see you guys in an hour. Hey guys, while it's cooking, let me tell you about my other experiment I got going on. This one's probably gonna kill me. I took a bunch of Carolina Reapers, and I took leftover jalapeno pepper juice. And I took and blended up all the Carolina Reapers into the juice, and you can see it's a rather thick juice here. Then I took a hard-boiled egg. It's been sitting in there for about a week now. And I got it soaking in there. I let it soak for about a month. And then I take and eat this thing and see how bad it is. So make sure you take and like and subscribe to the video. That way you can watch and see what happens to me when I eat this thing. We got about 26 minutes left in the sous vide. Then we'll get that thing in the deep fryer and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, it's the sous vide's done in that. So we get it out of there. We're going to get it in the deep fryer. So you can get it up out of here. Alright, let's take and get this thing opened up. They don't look too appetizing when they first come out of the sous vide. Got some carrots stuck there from that vegetable dip. Take those off. It smells really good. So you get these veggies all off here. Now we get that in the deep fryer. Let's throw this away real quick. Take and get most of that water patted off there, that way you don't get boil over in the deep fryer. So right now this thing's at 125 degrees, so it's really rare. It's like almost that purplish color. Alright, our deep fryer is at 375. Take and drop this in there long enough, just get a nice crust on it and bring it up to about around 143 is medium rare. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but I actually make a cutting board for that. I made this island. It's all cherry and black walnut. Got a little bit of oak in it. It's all cherry, black walnut. The cutting board, it's black walnut, cherry, and oak. Let's get the steaks looking like. Take and flip it over, see the other side looking like. Kind of hard holding the camera doing it. The other side's a little bit darker, which is good. Drop it back down for another minute or so. Yowza. 62 Celsius should be right at 143. Looks like we're gonna be about right there at that 61. Almost a little bit more. 62. Alright, we're gonna take and lather this up with some garlic butter. See, it's still nice and red inside. It's not overcooked. It's a little bit gray around the very edges, but you're gonna get that because the deep fryer is only at 375. It's not like it's 500 or 600 degrees. All right, let me get my daughter in here. I'll see, have her taste what she thinks of it. Cheers. She's gonna go all flavor to it. Still really nice and juicy. Alright guys, try it out. Pretty good.